Where are the fuses on a Fiat 500? This is a 2023, so this is going to apply to 2023s and after. They're in two different spots. I'm going to show you where. The first one is in the driver's side, underneath the steering wheel. If we come under here, there may be a cover, there may not be a cover on your model. If we come under here, we have this housing here, and right here we have access to all of these fuses. Now, if you need to change any of these fuses, they're very small, they're very hard to get out. You're not going to be able to get them with your fingers. You're going to need to use a pair of needle nose pliers, or they actually have like these little fuse removal tools. I'll put a link in the description below to where you can get that stuff if you need it. But anyways, there are also fuses under the hood, a whole relay box and fuses under the hood, which if we come around here, if we open it up, right on the right side here, this just slides open. We can just slide this cover open here. And in here we have these larger fuses and some more smaller fuses as well. And again, you're gonna need like some needle nose pliers or preferably like a fuse removal tool to get those off. So anyways, if this video helped you find it, if you leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. And you can subscribe to make sure that you get more short tutorials on this car and others.